Hi, Kinders. Are you ready? We're going to do another reading comprehension page. And this page is for Wednesday, May 12th. And it looks like this. It's going to be called My Backpack. Ready? In my backpack, I have a lunchbox. In my lunchbox, I have an apple, a tuna, a sandwich, and a cookie. I have a feeling I need to highlight this to remember. So inside the backpack, there is a lunchbox. And inside the lunchbox, there are three things. There is an apple, a tuna sandwich, and a cookie. All right, let's see. I have 4 books in my backpack. I borrow the books from the library. I need to return the books. So in the backpack, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 books. There's 4 books in the backpack with the lunchbox. Can't forget the lunchbox from the other page. Okay. I have 3 crayons, 2 pencils in my backpack. My backpack is heavy. I need to take something out of my backpack. So let's see if we can remember everything in the backpack. There is a lunchbox. Inside the lunchbox, we have an apple, a tuna sandwich, and a cookie. And we have 4 library books. And we have 3 crayons and 2 pencils. The backpack is definitely heavy. I need to take something out. All right, are you ready to answer the reading comprehension page? So you should have a paper that looks like this. Let's start with our name. I think I'm going to write with purple today. So I'm going to write my name, Mrs. Sito. I think highlighting all of those things that are inside the backpack will help Mrs. Sito remember what's in the backpack so we can do the reading comprehension page. But if we don't remember, that's okay. We can always go back and look, right? Okay, first question. What is inside the lunchbox? I remember there are 3 things, remember? So it has 3 things. It, the lunchbox, it, 2 finger space, has, do you guys remember? Gosh, I remember there was an apple. There's an apple in the lunchbox. There, it has, and an apple. So this little arrow, when you forget a word, you can always draw that little arrow and add the word in, because I didn't leave enough space for the word, and I don't want all my words and letters to be squished together, because then it's really hard to read. And because I'm listing things, I'm going to put a comma. When you list things, you put a comma. So the first thing is an apple. There was a sandwich. It was a tuna sandwich, but I'm just going to say sandwich. I think that's good enough that I remembered there was a sandwich. And I remember there's a tuna sandwich because Mrs. Cito doesn't like tuna. Sandwich. So that's one thing. Sandwich is the second thing. So I'm going to use a comma. A comma just separates all the things that I'm listing when I'm listing more than one thing. And there's the last thing was a cookie. And I remembered the cookie because I love cookies. And a cookie. In fact, doing this reading comprehension page is making me hungry. I might go downstairs and sneak a cookie after I finish this worksheet. Period. So let's see. Did we answer the question? What is in the lunchbox? It has an apple, a sandwich, and a cookie. Did I start my sentence with a capital? Did I end with a period? Awesome. All right. Second question. What will happen to the books? Now remember, he had 4 books. And where did he or she, we don't know if it's a boy or a girl, we'll say she, what did she say she had to do with the books? The books weren't her. They were from that's right, they were from the library. So she has to return them. So I'm going to say she, because I decided it's a girl. But if you want yours to be a boy, you can write he, she, 2 finger space, has to, I'm getting better at writing with a computer pen. Return them. Return. Do we worry about spelling in kinder? Goodness, no. We just write the sounds we hear. She has to return the books. The books. And I know how to spell books because it's right here. So I'm just going to copy it. Books. Period. Did I remember to start my sentence with a capital? Yep. Did I put a period at the end? Yep. Now we're ready for number 3. What should be taken out of the backpack to make it lighter? What should be taken out? So this is asking you for your opinion. What do you think she should take out of her backpack because it's so heavy? Because it has the lunchbox, the 4 books, the 3 crayons, the 2 pencils. What do you think? So there's no wrong answers in this. So you get to pick whatever you think she should take out. Now, if my backpack was really heavy and it had a lunchbox and it had books and it had pencil and crayons, I would take out the heaviest things because that would make it lighter. So what's the heaviest? The lunchbox, the books, the crayons, or the pencil? I think it's the books. So I take out the 2-finger space for books. Then my backpack would be way lighter, right? Books. Period. Did I start my sentence with a capital? Did I end with a period? Yes. Oh, another opinion question. What is in your backpack? Oh my goodness. My backpack has so much stuff. Okay, I'm just going to have to list it. I have, now remember when you're listing stuff, you have to put commas between all the things. I have water in my backpack. I always carry water. You have to always make sure that you drink lots and lots of water. So one thing I have in my backpack is always water. I always have money in my backpack just in case I want to buy something. Money, another comma because I have more things in my backpack. So water, money, what else I have in my backpack? And I always have 1 book to read just in case I have time because I love to read. If I have to wait in line or if I'm waiting for Nick and Marcus to finish whatever they're doing, if I'm picking them up, I always have a book in my backpack to read. So that's what's in my backpack. So this one is a opinion question. So that means there's no wrong or right answer. It's just whatever you think. Number 3 was also an opinion question too. So there's no right or wrong answer. It's just what you think from the story. Great job, kinders. We're all done. I will see you later. Bye.